Yes, be ready. Start. Special leave granted in all the petitions. Stop. The appeals were heard with consent of counsel appearing for the parties to these proceedings. Stop. The grievance of the appellants in these batch of appeals is with respect to a common judgment of the Aurangabad bench of the Bombay High Court. Stop. In the criminal public interest litigation, the respondents sought directions to the Union of India, the State of Maharashtra, the Maharashtra Housing and Urban Development Authority, and state officials to initiate criminal proceedings against the responsible officers and office bearers of municipal council and concerned contractors for misappropriation of government funds in implementation of the housing scheme in the municipality. Stop. Some appellants had filed criminal petitions opposing the criminal proceedings which were disposed of. Stop. The PIL petitioners claimed to be social activists and former councillors of the municipality who were involved in social activities, reforms, and reconstruction of the society, which included running a library. Stop. They had also organized various camps like literacy camp for illiterate people at public places during summer season, etc. Stop. Stanza. The Union of India implemented the integrated housing and slum development program through the state government under the Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewable Mission for providing basic services to the urban poor, including security of tenure of affordable prices, improved housing, water supply, sanitation, and ensuring delivery through convergence of other existing universal services of the government for education, health, and social security. Stop. The mission also aimed to ensure that the urban poor were provided housing. Stop. The scheme applies to all cities, towns under the mission. Stop. The guidelines for basic services to the urban poor were issued in December 2005, pursuant to which the state government appointed urban local bodies as nodal agencies. Stop. In the case, MHADA is the nodal agency. Stop. In terms of a government resolution, the construction cost for each dwelling house unit was rupees 80,000. Stop. The minimum floor area of such dwelling house was to be 25 square meters at a minimum with 2 rooms, a kitchen and a toilet bathroom. Stop. The funds for implementing the said scheme were in the ratio of 80-20 bracket start between the central government and the state government urban local bodies bracket close. Stop. Further, beneficiaries under the scheme had to contribute a minimum 12%, and in case of reserved category for getting a flat for oneself under the scheme initiated by the government. Stop. Over.